Hello everyone, my name is Parshva Dongre. I am from MIT OE doing my BTech ENTC from MIT OE. Today I will be explaining you about embedded systems. As an ENTC student, I am electronic enthusiastic, so I love about embedded systems and IoT parts. So today we will be learning about all these topics. I am learned from EMERTXE institution, which has given me the internship about these topics. So let's go. So what is an embedded system? An embedded system is a system that has software embedded into computer hardware, which makes the system dedicated for a variety of applications or a specific part of an application or product of part of larger system. So this is the diagram of embedded system. This is mainly four components: analog component, software, digital component, and converters. So an embedded system can be a small independent system or a large combinational system. It is a microcontroller based control system used to perform a specific task of operations. Moving on to the types of embedded systems. Types of embedded systems. Based on performance and functional requirements, there are two types. The second type is based on the performance of microcontroller. So in the first type, we can see that there are more four sub branches. The first branch is standalone system. The second branch is real-time system. Third branch is network system. Fourth branch is mobile system. Then coming to the another part, which is based on the performance of the microcontroller. Here we get three branches also: small scale system, medium scale system, and sophisticated system. Now coming to the hardware part, which hardware components. So first is LED, which is light emitting diode. LEDs are widely used in electrical circuit to indicate whether the circuit functions correctly. LEDs also used to identify the state of current within the circuit. So coming to the memory, it is an essential for storing critical data, and in embedded system, this component is generally integrated into the microprocessor or microcontroller. The two types of memory are RAM and ROM. Then tactile switch. These small size switch are placed on PCBs and are used to control the electric circuit by pressing by the person. LD, which is character liquid crystal display, is a flat panel display technology that uses liquid crystal to modulate light and display images or text. Then timers and counters. A timer is a specialized type of clock which is used to measure time intervals. A counter is a device that stores and sometimes displays the number of times a particular event or process occurred with respect to a clock signal. Now coming to the applications of embedded system in automobiles and in telecommunication, which are wireless communication and e-commerce and mobile access. In embedded system in smart cards, missiles and satellites, defense and aerospace, telephone and banking, embedded system in consumer electronics, which is digital cameras and HD TVs. Coming to the embedded C programming is a language that is used in development of the embedded systems. Embedded C is a set of language extensions designed to program microcontrollers. So in that there are two types: direct hardware interaction and low level programming. Moving on to the next slide. Why the embedded system C with C basics? Embedded C is a generic term given to a programming language written in C, which is associated with a particular hardware architecture. Embedded C programming builds with a set of functions where every function is a set of statements that are utilized to execute some particular task. All these elements plays a key role while writing an embedded C program. Now the data types in C are the data type is a collection of data with values having fixed values, meaning as well as its characteristics. Data types in C, which are four: basic, derived, enumeration, and void. So now basic data type. The basic data type are integer based and floating point based. C language supports both signed and unsigned literals, which are int, char, double, float, and long double. Derived data types are array, pointer, structure, and union. Enumeration data types, a set of named constants or enumerators that represents a collection of connected values, can be defined in C using the enumeration data, which is enum. Void data types, which are function return data type and function parameters and pointers. Operators in C. The operator is simply a symbol that is used to perform operations. There can be many types of operations like arithmetic, logic, bitwise, etc. So these are the arithmetic operator, relational operator, shift operator, logic operator, bitwise operator, and assignment operator. Now coming to the conditional statements and loops. Conditional statements. These statements allow the programmer to make decisions based on the value of a variable or expression. The most common conditional statement in C are the if statement, the else statement, and the switch statement loops. These are used to repeat a block of code until the specified condition is met. A loop statement allows programmer to execute a statement or group of statements multiple times without repetition of code. There are mainly two types of loops in C program: entry control loop and exit control loop. Coming to the pointer in C language is a variable which stores the address of another variable. This variable can be type of int, char, array, function, or any other pointers. We can return multiple values from a function using the pointer. Application, dynamic memory allocation, and array functions and structures. Now the project demonstration, we can see this. A PIC16F877A microcontroller. This is a microcontroller which is used for the washing machine project we are going to use. It consists of 40 pins and having oscillator frequency range from 4 MHz to 40 MHz. The PIC16F877A features 256 bytes of EEPROM data memory and ICD, two comparators, 8 channels of 10-bit analog to digital converter to compare PWM functions. Synchronous serial ports can be configured as either three-wire serial peripherals. Here is the block diagram, function diagram is given of the that processor. Here we can see both port A, B, E, D, and C. So coming to the softwares used to program the PIC microcontroller, we need an IDE, which we are using of MPLAB. So IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So this is the project. Uh, we have coded here water level resets and all the keypads first. Then we can build it. So we are going to clean and build it. So after building it, we can see here. Wait a second. So it successfully built. So now coming to the PLC lab. Uh, Wait a second. Yes, this is our washing machine board. So we want to load the hex file first. So loading the hex file. So we have successfully loaded the hex file. So after pressing this button, we have on the machine successfully. after clicking RB3, we can see which modes we have to use. We can see that after clicking again, we have selected again. So these are the options. So basically, we have coded here for adjusting the buttons, and after clicking it, we can see the machine water level can be adjusted as auto also. So now clicking on that, we can start it. Wait a second. It will on. Yes, now it's on. The timer and the cooler is on. This tells us the washing machine process is started. So by pressing RB5, we have paused the machine. The operations are paused. If we want to continue again, we can press it again, RB4 button. It takes time, but it will start. So here we can see that the machine has started again. So we have another option for open and close. See, the door has opened, and we have the warning message. Please close it because the washing machine is active now, and we are opening it. If we release the button, it will start again. As you can see, the it is again started with the message as rise in. Sorry, Release. After some time, it will change to the spin. As you can see, it has changed to the spin mode. Yes. So the program was successfully completed. The clothes are removed. Uh, Washing machine programs. There are three types of it. So this is all about my internship project. Thank you for EMERTXE internship for teaching me this wonderful project. I am very grateful to know all the programs and all the softwares about it. Thank you.